Hey guys, I want to show you a new way to do the Facebook thing. First thing is, see this? I got this Instagram post alert. Oh, I clicked my finger. I got an Instagram post alert saying that I have something to post for Instagram. So let me show you what I do now. You click this and it opens Buffer, the Buffer app. I've got Buffer set up so that it alerts me for a post on my private profile for Instagram. This is private, not business. You can't do it on business. So set up a private profile on Instagram, and then you're going to connect your Facebook to it in the back side. You're going to tell Facebook to automatically post everything that comes through, right? And then on here, you set up in Buffer for these posts to come up at your rotation, and it alerts you. Then you click this, open an Instagram, and it wants to check to see if you're in the right one. I'm in the right one, so I press I'm good to go. And then it opens my Instagram, right? Puts it in my Instagram. I choose feed. And then inside of feed right here, I just click this because it's already brought it in. It brought it into my pictures. I'm not going to change it. You can change the colorization, but I'm not going to do that. I've already created the image. So I've created the image. Press next. It's not pressing. Inside caption, I'm going to do this. I'm going to click and I'm going to press paste because it put it in there for me. That's what I've already created in Buffer. Press OK. And then it says all this: tag people, add location, Twitter. Oh, it does. I don't have Twitter connected, but if I did, oh, sorry guys. If I had Twitter connect, I could do it and press cancel. Twitter and Tumblr also. I do all those at once. I've got it set to share to Facebook automatically. I press share in this inside of here, and it's going to share inside of my Instagram account. But since the Instagram account right here, I'll show you, is attached to my Facebook, which I did inside of the settings, which is a little challenging to get down into now. You know, gotta click here, and then I'm gonna go to settings, which is down here. Settings. In here, you can see I've got it, and then it says, see, I'm on a personal account, not a business account. This only works with business. Resharing to stories on, I've got that. And then linked accounts right here, linked account, look, link to Facebook. You're linking it to your Facebook, your profile, not a business page. So I've linked it to my Facebook profile, and when I do the share in here, like you just saw I did, let's see, there it is. Here's where it's shared. Now, legitimately, I could go into Facebook, and it should be here. So right inside of Facebook, let's see if it did it. Hopefully it did. Sometimes it doesn't pop up until later. I haven't seen if it did it, but nope, it hasn't popped up yet. So it'll pop up a little later. It's connected, so it's going to be on my Facebook shortly. And then it'll alert in here as a Facebook post. I'll show you what I mean since it isn't here yet. This is my one from yesterday. So you can see it posted. Now when I get in here, see how it shows friends of friends? I'm going to go in and check my privacy and put public and done. And now it's done. Now inside of Facebook on the desktop part, you can set that where it automatically does public, not private. That's a whole other thing, but that's for you to figure out. Again, that's how it works. You can see that's inside my Instagram. Show you I did that yesterday. See, there it is. I posted it to Instagram. It went over to Facebook and auto posted. Now what's happening is, let me show you in Buffer real quick. Inside of Buffer, I've got all my stuff set up. There it is. This is my Instagram. So these posts are going through, right? Inside of Buffer on my Buffer account. And when they go through, this is in my queue. It'll hit the reminder and then it'll post. So when I set up one, I just press here. I set it in here, and then it says buffer it, and it's done. I'm not doing it right now. But anyway, that's pretty much it. So you're setting up Buffer so that Buffer will send those to you, and then they're going to post. Let me see if I can get out of this. Nope. Cancel. So when it posts, here's my past reminders. When it posts, it'll post it to your Instagram. When it posts to your Instagram, then it'll automatically go in your Facebook. So at the least, it's a 1 to 2 touch thing, but it'll alert you throughout the day. So you can set up 3 posts a day that way and do it that way. And guess what? It posts it native. So since Facebook and Instagram are connected, look at this. It's native to Facebook. So it's not even putting posted by a Buffer or posted by CoApp or posted by Hootsuite or whatever. Since they turn off the API, it's posting native, but it's automated through Instagram from a Buffer alert. There you go, folks. That's the answer.